Welcome to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're diving into what we consider the best soy wax for candles, the American Soy Organics Freedom Soy Wax Beads. Whether you're a seasoned candle artisan or just getting started with DIY candle making at home, this product is a game changer. These wax beads stand out immediately because of their easy-to-handle bead form. Measuring, scooping, and melting becomes so much simpler compared to working with bulky wax blocks. They melt evenly at 115 to 121 degrees Fahrenheit and can be heated using a microwave, a wax melter, or a classic double boiler. Just warm them to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, add your fragrance and dye, stir, and pour. It's straightforward and beginner-friendly. The composition of this wax is clean and natural. It's made from soybeans grown in the Midwest United States with no paraffin and no beeswax. That makes it vegan, eco-friendly, and a great option for anyone avoiding petroleum-based candle ingredients. Performance-wise, these beads melt smoothly and pour beautifully. They create a clean, even texture with a smooth top finish once cooled, giving your candles a professional appearance without extra effort. They also hold fragrance extremely well, allowing up to a 10% fragrance load, or 1.6 ounces per pound. That means strong, long-lasting scent throw without overloading the wax. The beads also take dye wonderfully. Colors turn out vibrant and consistent every time, whether you're crafting wax melts, tea lights, or large container candles. This wax provides excellent adhesion to jars and burns slowly and cleanly with minimal soot when paired with the correct wick. Safety is another major plus. Because of the low melting point, you don't need high heat or heavy-duty equipment. It's ideal for hobbyists, beginners, and small batch makers. And with no harsh chemicals in the formula, it's safer to use around kids and pets when burned correctly. There's also an ethical angle to love. By choosing this wax, you're supporting American farmers and a small business committed to sustainability. It's a product with both quality and a conscience. So if you're searching for soy wax that's easy to use, environmentally friendly, safe, and capable of producing gorgeous, fragrant candles, American Soy Organics Freedom Soy Wax Beads are a top-tier choice. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you're ready to upgrade your candle-making game, this is the wax to reach for. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!